Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install Roblox on Android or Samsung phone or tablet. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and find our Play Store. Just tap on Play Store. If this is your first time, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Now, once done, go to the bottom, tap on the search function. And then go to the very top, tap on the search bar, and just type down Roblox. Okay? Tap on search right here at the bottom of your keyboard. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you could either tap on install right here or install. Just make sure that it is from Roblox Corporation. And then just wait for the installation process to finish. And then once that's installed, go ahead and tap on play. Just log in with your Roblox account. And that's how simple it is to install Roblox on Android or Samsung phone or tablet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.